Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy messy updo in under 2 minutes. To start, we're going to divide the hair from ear to ear straight across. Then tie that top section into a ponytail. Make a hole behind the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through the hole to create a twist. Then gently pinch and pull at the hair on top for more texture and volume. Secure the remaining hair into a low ponytail, and we're simply going to split this in half and pull one half up, then push the halves together and secure over the top with another elastic band. Add some texture powder to your bun. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Then we're really going to pinch and pull this bun apart, so stretch it out, and I like to take sections next to each other and pull them in opposite directions. So keep doing this until you get the bun to the required messiness that you like. Once you're happy with the bun, secure it all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.